Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you the every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix and solve Pinterest comments not showing. First of all, as we open up the Pinterest mobile application, go to any of the random posts and go in the comment option. As you can see, all of the comments are showing. If they're not showing to you, go to the home screen, go to the settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and go in the apps. Go in the manage apps, search for Pinterest, open it up and go in the storage. At the bottom you should find clear data and clear all the cache memory. You can also clear whole data if you don't want that. Go in the battery saver option and go turn it to no restriction. Once you do that, refresh the Pinterest app again and again, and that should definitely work. If that still doesn't work, just reinstall the Pinterest app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.